smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Here we are in the morning. We arrived at about 6 o'clock last night, and it's now 6 in the morning. 12 hours. What a beautiful place. You don't often see people at this time of the morning, do you? Yeah, I was talking to you. So, Forestry Commission track. Don't often see things on it. Famous last words. Woo! Bit of forestry clearance. All gone. Like a gladiator movie. Good morning. Day 2. We had a wild camp last night. We found a place, thought, can we find something better? And after about a kilometre we realised we couldn't, so we went back. It was a very wet night last night. We're nice and warm, dry. So today the target is a bothy, which is a slightly shorter day, but yeah, it was a long day. Actually my wife's first ever wild camp. So there you go. So let's see where the rest of the day takes us. In the morning sunshine. 2-3 kilometres walking beside a wall on your left, and you can hear water on your right in a ditch. It's a nice morning. Haven't met anybody. Don't expect to until we get to the bothy. Hundreds and hundreds of cobwebs. A short green tunnel. They have all these coins along the trail that you can pick up. And down in there there's a bottle full of them. Into a bit of pine forest with these tall, tall trees. Incredible destruction. Gotta walk through this. Oh, just a little hop over. over the railway bridge. Thank you. Coming up to a suspension bridge to get across quite a river. Oh, what a bridge. And a wide river. Oh. Diagonally across the field with all the sheep. They're not really interested. Field edge, beautiful wall, but we're heading off there somewhere. Goes straight across moorland, it says. It's funny, this is day 2 and we haven't seen anybody. It's well marked. Looks like the weather's coming in. I've seen loads of slugs. This is the first caterpillar I've seen. There is some wildlife around, even if it's expired. For a moorland landscape with no trees. Wow. An old abandoned farm. Brutal up here. This one says 200 meters. That way. Somewhere. Not easy to get to, but these are the caves. Neolithic mound, 3,000 years old. The route back from the caves. It's funny, they mention it in books, but they don't do a path or anything. It's up to you how you get there. We're being spotted. There's a big old bull. Up and through a farm. I think they might be waiting for a shearing. Leaving the farm, you just see loads and loads of wind turbines. Through the open moorland, I can see some marker posts, but the path is fairly faint, but it's doable. Through the bog. It's rough going, not much of a path, which is fine. Heading into the dark clouds. Just me and the wind turbines. Through the forested area, just listening to the wind turbines. More evidence of huge damage through a storm. Oh, let's duck a little bit. Day one was a lot longer than we wanted it to be. First day, don't want to go too far. We couldn't really find anywhere to pitch a tent. There's not a lot of accommodation. So we pushed on probably another 5-6 kilometres more than we thought we would, which meant today is a slightly shorter day, but actually quite handy that it is, because yeah, we're quite tired. Hopefully not too far to go now. The blowdowns are so big, and yet nobody's cleared any of it up. So you're sort of making your own way round, trying to keep back to the path somehow. Ah, this is what we've been looking forward to all day. This bothy. Never been to a Scottish bothy before, so we'll just see what's it about. Oh, this is it, and some paperwork.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.